we'll be introducing Mi 11 Lite. This unique device is going to let you show your style. Style is an individual concept. That is why we'll be introducing a variety of fresh colors with more options than we've ever had before. 6 different colors for 6 totally different looks. There's going to be a Mi 11 Lite that's perfect for your style. At just 159 grams, Mi 11 Lite 5G is incredibly light. Just 157 grams for our 4G variant. Mi 11 Lite isn't just stylish and light, it's also trimmed to be slim. In fact, it's 14% slimmer than the previous generation. That's the Mi 11 Lite. It's colorful, it's slim, it's light, and of course, it's stylish. Mi 11 Lite also sports a powerful camera system for capturing wonderful moments. Inside of that super slim camera bump, we've included a very capable triple camera. Snap your style with Mi 11 Lite's incredible camera system. You can capture wonderful moments with a 64 megapixel triple camera, plus great videos with Mi 11 series video software features. Curved displays aren't right for everyone, and Mi 11 Lite sports a flat AMOLED display. We've also upgraded the refresh rate this generation, upping it to a 90Hz AMOLED, the kind often found in flagships. This is perfect for scrolling social media or playing your favorite games. And we've also included a 240Hz touch sampling, so your use feels even smoother. Mi 11 Lite features a 4,250 mAh battery, giving you around 2 days of battery life. And we've also incorporated a high-speed 33-watt fast charging, and of course, we've also included a 33-watt fast charger. And of course, dual speakers for when you're keen to jam with friends. In our 4G variant, we've used the snappy Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. This processor perfectly balances speed and power efficiency. Now, for those of you who love to share online, 5G will let you start and share trends online faster than ever before. The brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G. And beyond just 5G, this processor offers amazing speed and power efficiency and features top-of-the-line 5nm process tech, which is only found in flagships. This is Mi 11 Lite and Mi 11 Lite 5G. Show your style.